Hey, Izzy. Hi, Mom. What are you doing? Oh, I'm trying to be patient, but I'm so excited for my birthday. I know, Izzy. Your friends will be here shortly. Mommy just made a delicious cake. Oh, really? Really? What kind of cake is it? I made a cookie cake because Cookie Monster's coming today. Oh boy, that sounds delicious. I think I hear somebody. Cookie. Happy birthday, Izzy. Where's the cake? Oh, Cookie, it's coming. It'll be here in a minute. We have to wait for everyone else to get here. Okay. Oh, thank you, Cookie. You're the best. Happy birthday, Izzy. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Big Bird. Izzy, do you want to tell everyone how old you are today? Yeah. I'm Twee. I'm really excited. All right, well, ready to sing? Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Happy birthday! Push the star button to light the candles.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll push the star button, Mama. Okay, ready? Push the star button.
Push a button. 1, 2, 3.
That's my age, Mommy. That's my age. I know.
3 candles. Birthday time! Sing along. Push the buttons during the song.
Birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Izzy. Happy birthday to me.
Blow out the candles.
Boop. Boop.
Yay!
Good job, Izzy. Yay!
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Okay, let me cut the cake.
Push the balloon button to play more. 1,
2, 3, 4.
5. We're having a birthday. We're singing it live. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah! Blow out the candles.
Again. Ready? I'll do it on the first try this time, Mommy. All right, baby. Do you want to open your presents, Izzy? Yeah, I'd love to, Mommy. I'd love to. All right. Woof. Oh, what's that? I don't know. It sounds like a dog. Do you think you're getting a dog for your birthday? Oh, I don't know. Woof. I think so. Where is it? Well, I think those presents are too little to have a doggy in them, don't you? Yeah. So, it's the big blue one, isn't it, Mommy? Yes, it is. And Mommy will take it out for you, okay? Oh, boy. Okay. Okay, ready, Izzy? Oh, boy. I'm sure am, Mom. Ready? Pull it, Izzy, pull. Pull it. What is it, Izzy? I always wanted this, Mom. Yeah, I can bring it for walks. Thank you, Mom. I love you. I love you too, Izzy. You're such a good girl, Iz. Can I have a kiss? Thank you, sweetheart. Want to open them? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. You are so silly. No, I'm just so excited, Ma. we got some instructions. Nice. So I think we might need it. It'll tell us how to feed her and bring her to the bathroom. And what else do we got in here? Oh, and we got the doggy. Mom, I think. Let's see. Good job, Izzy. Just pull it, baby. Pull it, pull it, pull it. You did it, Izzy. You did it. I'm a big girl now, Mom. Oh, yeah, I know, baby. You're growing up so fast. My Mommy might have to get this part out, Izzy. Oh, I don't think so. I think I can do it. You know what? You are a big girl. You're 3 years old. I bet you can. All you have to do is pull this. Pull it. Pull it open. You did it, Izzy. You got that piece out. Good job, Iz. Now you just have to untie that string. Can you do that? Yeah, with my beak. Watch. Beep, 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 beep. You did it, Izzy. I told you I could, Mom. I'm becoming a big, big, big bird. Did somebody say my name? Big Bird. You're silly, Big Bird. You are too. You're silly looking. What? I'm just kidding. I'm going to call you GoGo. That's what I'm going to call you. Hi, GoGo. Let's take GoGo out. Okay. Mom. GoGo's not going. Okay, so Mommy just put in some new batteries. Well, the second set of new batteries. Let's see if GoGo works now. Oh boy, this is so exciting. All right, all you have to do is press the purple power button right there, honey. Can you press it? Yep, I can. Yay, GoGo! GoGo! Oh, GoGo, I love you. Sit. Oh, GoGo can sit. Oh, look at GoGo's cute tail, Mom. Wag your tail, GoGo. Oh, GoGo. GoGo, you're sure cute. You're very cute. You're a cutie patootie. What's the matter, baby? What's the matter? What's the matter? I love you, GoGo. You love me too? Oh, GoGo. No, that's not a stick, GoGo. GoGo, let go. Let go, GoGo. Ah! Mom. Oh, GoGo, that's not a stick, baby. That's not a stick. That's Izzy's nose. Izzy's nose. No eating Izzy's nose, okay? GoGo, what's that noise? Oh, Cookie, what'd you do? Oh, I ate all the cookie cake. Oh, Cookie. Oh, I'm sorry. Do you remember you did this last year? Well, guess what? I made 2 cakes this year. Oh, yeah, I did, GoGo. I made 2 cakes, so you can have a piece too. Isn't that exciting? Oh, Cookie. GoGo loves you. Oh, I love you too, GoGo. Thank you for watching.